Hello students, today we are going to learn Geometry Chapter 5 Part 4 Exercise 5.2. Hello students, today we are going to learn Chapter 5 Geometry Part 4 Exercise 5.2. The first question, from the figures name the marked pair of the angles. First one, M and N are parallel line, L is the transversal. Marked pair of angle 1 and 2. These angles are exterior angle, at the same time same side of the transversal. So the answer, the angles are exterior angle, the same side of the transversal. Second one, M, N parallel line, L is the transversal. Marked pair of the angle 1 and 2 are alternate interior angles. So the answer, the angles are alternate interior angle. Third one, M, N parallel line, L is the transversal. Marked pair of angle 1 and 2 are corresponding angle. So the answer, the angles are corresponding angles. Second sum, find the measure of the angles. M and N are parallel lines, L is the transversal. So 8 angle form, angle 1, angle 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 1, angle 1 and angle 5. 1, 5 are corresponding angle. Angle 1 and 5 are corresponding angle. 4 and 8 are corresponding angles. Same. 2 and 6 are corresponding angles. 3 and 7 are corresponding angles. So corresponding angles are equal. 1, 5, 4, 8, 2, 6 and 3 sevens are corresponding angles. So corresponding angles are equal. Here this one, angle 1 is 65 degree. Angle 1 65 degree. So angle 5 also 65 degree. Therefore x equal to 65 degree. First one. Second one, 135 degree. So angle 2 is 135 degree. So 2 and 6 are corresponding angles are equal. So 6 also 135 degree. So x equal to 135 degree. So next one, this is 90 degree. 90 degree right angle. So angle 5. Angle 5 is 90 degree. So 5 and angle 1. 1 and 5 are corresponding angles. So angle 1 also 90 degree. So x equal to 90 degree. Reason, corresponding angles are equal. Third one, find the measure of angle Y. So M, N parallel line, L is the transversal. These angles are interior angle. Y, this one 28, this is also, the 4 angles are interior angle. Y and 28 are alternate interior angles. So alternate interior angles are equal. So Y or answer 28 degree. So what is the reason? Alternate interior angles are equal. Next one, M, N parallel line, L is the transversal. These angles are exterior angle. 1, 2, 3, 4. These angles are exterior angles. So 58 and Y are exterior, alternate exterior angles are equal. So Y would answer 58 degree. Alternate exterior angles are equal. This one is interior angle. Interior alternate interior angles are so equal. This one is exterior. Exterior alternate angles are equal. Fourth sum. Find the measure of the angle Z. Listen the question. In these angles, angle 1, 2, 3, 4. The four angles are interior angle. In the interior angle, Z and 31 are same side of the transversal. Interior angle at the same time, same side of the transversal. So reason, interior angles lie on the same side of the transversal or supplementary angle. So Z plus 31 equal to 180 degree. So plus 31 opposite go to minus 31. So 180 minus 31, we get answer 149. So this angle is 149. Next one, 79 and this angle is Z. So the four angle 1, 2, 3, 4. The four angles are exterior angles. So exterior angle at the same time, same side of the transversal. These two angles are exterior angles, lie on the same side of the transversal. So reason, exterior angles lie on the same side of the transversal or supplementary. So Z plus 79 equal to 180 degree. Plus 79 opposite go to minus. So 180 minus 79, we get answer 101. So this one angle is 101. Fifth sum. Find the value of the angle A. Here 3A and 126 degree both are corresponding angles. The corresponding angles are equal. So 3A equal to 126 degree. 3A, you write 3 into A. Multiply irukka 3, opposite go to divide. So A equal to 126 divide 3. 3 table 3 1 time, 12 4 times and 6 2 times. So A or angle 42 degree. Next sum. M and N are parallel line, L transversal. Here these angles are interior angle. At the same time, interior alternate angle. Alternate interior angles are equal. So 8A plus 29 equal to 45 degree. Variable one side, number go to opposite side. Plus 29 opposite go to minus 29. 8A equal to 45 minus 29. 45 minus 29, we get answer 16 degree. 8A. 8A, you write 8 into A. Multiply irukka 8, opposite go to divide. So A equal to 16 divide 8. So 16 divide 8 equal to 2. So A would angle 2 degree. Sixth sum. Find the value of the angle X. Listen. M and N are parallel line, L transversal. These two angles are interior alternate angle. Reason, alternate interior angles are equal. So 2x plus 15 degree equal to 3x minus 40 degree. Alternate interior angles are equal. So variable one side, number go to opposite side. So plus 2x, opposite go to minus 2x. So 3x minus 2x. Minus 40 degree, opposite go to plus. So 40 degree plus 15 degree equal to 55 degree. 3x minus 2x, x. So x equal to 55 degree. Second sum. M and N are parallel line, L transversal. Here 2x minus 15 and 3x plus 20 both are exterior angle, at the same time lie on the same side of the transversal. Reason: exterior angles lie on the same side of the transversal or supplementary angle. So, these two angles are sum of the supplementary angle. 2x minus 15 plus 3x plus 20 equal to 180 degree. First you add 3x plus 2x, 5x. 20 minus 15, 5. So 5x plus 5 degree equal to 180. Plus 5, opposite go to minus. So 5x equal to 180 minus 5. 180 minus 5, we get answer 175 degree. 5x you write 5 into x. Multiplier ka 5, opposite go to divide. So x equal to 175 divide 5. 5 table 5 1 time 17, 3 times 15, balance 2, 25, 5 5s are 25. We get answer x equal to 35 degree.